welcome back to Raksha and Rhia World. In this video, we're doing a fun science experiment relating colors and it's going to be so fun. Now let's see the materials required for the experiment. We need milk, which should be 2% fat, dish soap and food coloring. Let's do the experiment. Add the food colorings. Now, when you add the dish soap, let's see the magic. Now, let's see the science behind the experiment. The reason behind the dancing colors in this experiment is soap. Soap molecules are made up of hydrophilic, which is water-loving, and hydrophobic, water-fearing. Water molecules dissolve other polar molecules, like fat and oil molecules are non-polar and do not dissolve in water. Milk is a mixture of water, fat, vitamins and minerals. When soap is added to the milk, it helps to separate the water and fat in the milk. The hydrophobic end of the soap molecules breaks up to non-polar fat molecules, while the hydrophilic end links up with the polar molecules. This connection between the soap, fat and water molecules causes the non-polar fat molecules to be carried by the polar water molecules. As the soap molecules connect to the fat molecules, the food coloring gets pushed around, resulting in the explosion of the color. Most soap molecules attach to the fat molecules, spreading through the milk. As a result, the color explosion will slow down and eventually stop. However, adding more soap, there may be unattached fat molecules and color explosion will begin again. For best results, this experiment works with 2% of whole milk because they contain more fat. Try this experiment in your home. I'm really confident that will be really fun. Share your colorful results in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share.